Thank you po, Lord. Okay, napapagod na yung... Hi, silent. I'll try to have a conversation later with user talks since it's big deal. Hi, silent. Good morning. Hi, home. HMob. Hi, Tab. Hi, JK. Thank you, silent, for following me, guys. I'll have my OPK this October 10, 8:45 p.m. po. Sana nandun kayo. Hi, Tuldok. Hi, RD. Yes. Take. Hi po. I'll try po to reach out sa'yo mamaya po, Sir Talks. Hi, Ryan Rivera. Hi, Vic. Thank you, Talks. Thank you po, Sir Talks. I hope you could support me, guys, with my first OPK po as a newbie. 8:45 p.m. Yes po. Based on the form that I fill up, it was 9 p.m. But then one of my family, one of the member of my agency says that it was 8:45. So don't worry, I'll do my live naman at 8 p.m. So do not worry, guys. Kasi maraming experiences na early nagsa-start yung OPK. Like 9 p.m. pero 8:10 pa lang nagsisimula na, ganun. Wait lang po change tayo ng position kasi sumasakit yung likod ko. Hi, Kagami! If you can remind me, that would be appreciated. Yes po! Don't worry, magla-live po ako sa October 10 ng umaga, hapon at gabi po. Don't worry, guys. I just need your presence on my first OPK po. It would definitely gonna be appreciated talaga. Hi from Thailand! Sawadee Kap! Hi, Mr. Frog! Hi, Chef John! Hi, Glooms! Yes po, Friday evening. And yung last OPK ko po is October 31. A-announce ko na lang po yan after ng first OPK ko. Good morning, everyone! Hi, Sneakly! Hi, Ika-apat! Shawi po! Hi, Sneakly! Hi, Poy! Hi, Marky! Good morning, Tarzan! Hi, Marky! Good morning po! Shawi po! Hi, Akay! Shawi Akay! Kapag I'm doing live sa umaga po, madaling araw, nag-e-end po ako ng 7 a.m. ha. Jay again. Hi, Shuriel. JJ, thank you for following, JJ. Hi, Bench. Wow, napa-reply sa Bench. Follow me, Bench. So that, yes po. Bali, hindi na po ako magsistip ngayon. Thank you, Bench, for following me. Bali po, usually po, 4 a.m. ako to 7 a.m. Tapos depende po 'yan, kasi minsan po kapag like ngayon, parang I catch up pero sa ngayon okey naman yung pakiramdam ko. Pero hindi na po ako babalik ng tulog kasi magliligpit po ako kasi may vaccination schedule po ako. Hi JB Owen. Hi Sol Mayor. Thank you for following po. Guys, be there on my OPK please. Help me reach my quota po. I improved my quota for this month. I got bitten by the dog. Nakagat po ako ng aso. So, it's anti-rabies, anti-tetanus. Pero don't worry, last vaccination, last dose ko na po yun. Anti-rabies siya. Hi, Prime 30, Shawi po. Hi, Jacob D, Shawi po. Hi, Haron Taraji, Shawi po. Yeah, anti-rabies, rabies. Oh, ang lamig po, pero kung papatayin ko yung ifan, namamawis po yung paa ko. Hi, Neko DNL. Um, Turning 3 months po, this October 21. Hi, Arakan, Shawi. Good morning po, Prime 30. Hindi nyo po. Hi, King W. Kota your target. How much your kota? I'm trying to reach 15K kota po. Kasi, hindi po siya enough yung 6K kota ko since nag-iipon po ako for the next school year. Hi, perfect me and you. Good morning. Hi, CJZ. Shawi po. Good morning. Hi, Liam. Shawi. If I could reach the 15K quota, then mag improve po ako sa November. Pero if mahihirapan po ako, then I'll stick with 15K quota. Pero if you will give me the opportunity and courage na kaya kong ma-reach yung 30K quota, then I'll do it. Yeah. Hi po, Shawi. I cannot read your name. Hi, Samuel Kindo.